Okay, guys, I've been grinding for a few hours now, trying to get enough, and I finally have 45 million in Treasure Hunt Simulator. I have the dual scoops, and we're going to be upgrading to the drill. Let's do this! Bye. Yes, my money just went down like no one's business. But I've never tried this before, so let's try it. Oh, I don't even have to do anything. Oh man, this is way better. See? Oh man. Oh, now I have to save up 48 million if I want to get the next thing. 48 million. I guess I have to save up that much now. I'm basically just gonna go up the ranks in the server. One shot the 1000s. Ugh, this is insane. Oh man, this is gonna be easy. I don't even have to do anything. But I wish I had the thing that's like. I wish the thing was like. I wish I had like the infinite, but I didn't want to waste all my Robux, so I just have the 50,000. It's not a lot at all. Okay, let's go up. Okay, so let's see. The next one is 48 million. I'm pretty sure. Oops. Yeah, 28,000. Then the magical fanny pack for 100 million. It only holds 1 million. The infinite. Yeah, this is pretty cool still. That is all for this guy, and guys, I hope you all enjoy. Please leave a like and subscribe for more stuff like this. I got this thing. Goodbye again.